Hello, today I want to announce something I've been working on. I'm starting a free business mentorship community called Bash Business Freedom School. This is for serious Nigerians who want to learn how to think properly about business, money, skills, and opportunities in Nigeria. Let me be clear, this is not a get-rich-quick group. I'm not promising magic money or overnight success. This is for people who are ready to think differently and take responsibility. Many people say capital is their problem. Yes, capital matters, but often the real issues are lack of direction, fear, wrong choices, copying others blindly, and poor understanding of how money is made. Some people are held back by pride or what other people will say. But the truth is simple. Money does not respect title. Money respects value. If you solve real problems, people will pay you. Nigeria is tough, but it is also full of opportunities. Every problem in Nigeria is a business opportunity. Whether in logistics, food, car mechanics, plumbing, customer service, agriculture, or simple trading, is a business opportunity. Our theme is Dirty Jobs, Clean Money. We will focus on practical, often overlooked opportunities and how to start small, avoid mistakes, and grow step by step. Here's how it will work. Every week, I will share a practical lesson with a simple assignment inside our WhatsApp community and on my website. Then once a month, I will host a public YouTube live business clinic where I will teach and answer selected questions. The live sessions are open to everyone, but community members will get weekly lessons and priority for questions. This mentorship is for students, graduates, workers, civil servants, Nigerians abroad, anyone serious about building income in Nigeria. Also, for those particularly interested in agriculture and agriculture business, there's another WhatsApp community in the description where many people are already learning and actively doing business. You can explore that as well if it fits your interest. You also find a few other useful resources in the description as well to go deeper. Please only join if you are serious. No spam, no begging, no fake investments. This is a place to learn, think, and grow. Also, this is mentorship, not financial advice. Business has risk and everybody must make their own decisions. What I can promise is honesty, real experience, and practical thinking. Our first topic would be capital is not your real problem. If you want to join, check the link in the description or pinned comment and join the WhatsApp community. Remember, the sky is wide enough for every bird to fly. Let's learn and build together. Welcome to Bash Business Freedom School. See you soon.